Hello from Jordan Farrington Commercials. Here we have a Ford Transit. So this is a double cab tipper, 350. So the rear has been converted to tool storage, which I'll show you in 1 second. So it's double rear wheel drive. It's like a Ford one-stop body, which is generally the preference. Complete with tow bar and electrics. Obviously got the rear highway maintenance board, full length reflective stripes. I think she's just done over 78,000 miles. I've been a 19 range, just meets Euro 6 ULEZ and go to clean air zones free of charge. These are brand new locks which have been fitted. I've done all the doors. I'll just show you the tipping body. So there's tipping controls. I'll just pause the video for a sec. All nice, clean and tidy under the body. So the storage section nice and large. Upgraded flooring. There you go, just over 78,000 miles. There's your beacon on and off. Any other questions, please give me a shout.